Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing bikini workout number 11. 10-minute bikini workout number 11. Someday I'll get that right, but today is not the day. So anyways, moving on. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't know why I do that. Anyways. So this workout is going to include 3 supersets, but at the end of the supersets, we're going to be doing a 30-second HIIT training. So we're going to add in bandit, in and out, jump squats. So you will need in this workout resistance band of some sort and a stability ball of some sort. I think there's only one kind anyways. I will provide the link of the one resistance bands that I use down below, but Amazon has a million variety of those, and I'm sure they have a variety of stability balls included. So, all right, you got your BCAAs. Jeez, I literally cannot talk sometimes. Does anyone else have that issue? Like, blah. Anyways, water, BCAAs to help you get power through your workout. A must-have. I drink it all day long, basically, because it helps with recovery. And are you guys ready to crush this workout? I'm sure you are, because why would you be here, right? Okay, before I go, make sure to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you'll never miss another workout with me again. All right? Okay. Until next time, I will see you next time. Love you so much and hope you have a great workout. Okay, bye-bye now. Never chase a bitch, chase a check, never chase a bitch, yeah. Rep the set, gotta rep the set, chase a check, they hating cause we next, that's a bet, pull off in Corvette, pimp game, tighter than crochet, take the jet, fuck it, take the jet, MCO, land at LAX, do a show after party, yeah, we'll know, that's a go. I got my sauce, 2-piece, show that ass off, put in work, we took class off, NASA, we bout to blast off, rep the set, gotta rep the set, rep the set, gotta rep the set, chase a track, never chase a bitch, chase a track, never chase a bitch, mask off, fucking mask off, mask off, fucking mask off, chase a track, never chase a bitch, chase a track, never chase a bitch, mask off, fucking mask off, mask off. I don't need no frauds, I don't need no drama when you call, I don't need no lies. Pick a side, pick a side. I took the prize, let me live that bitch up. I took the ice, let me lift my wrist up. I took the prize, let me live that bitch up. I took the ice, let me lift my wrist up. I don't need no frauds, I don't need no lies. Pick a side, pick a side.
Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too, and I'm always tired but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out, but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text, but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings, but you never mind that shit. Oh, oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me, but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. Nobody else above you. Nobody else above you. Above. I hate
Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong, so every lonely night I sing this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. Nobody else above you. Nobody else above you. Above. Above you, I hate audio, 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 above.